Hello everyone, this is Sean here, and in this video, I'll be filming the elevators at block 106 Jalan Dusun. The layout of the block. The common corridors are at 1, 5 and 8. And here's the elevator. There used to be another elevator here, but it got indirectly replaced. Let's go look for where the new lift B is. And here's the new lift B, which indirectly replaced the one beside old lift A. Ew, crap, 2-speed level. Boring. And back to lift A. The wooden interior though, the wallpaper. Let's go up to 9. No announcements. Boring. I wonder, was lift B a limited stop, maybe a one door, and then it got indirectly replaced by the IFE. This one button seems new to me. And let's go view lifts C and D. Just another IFE, boring. Ooh, this is a small IFE home elevator, I think. 6 persons, 410 kg. No announcements also. This is too boring. Please have intelligent leveling. small elevator, but boring. And now let's search online what the old lift B here used to look like, and whether it was a limited stop or not. It seems that lift B is a two-door similar to lift A. Is it a limited stop all and all stop? Floor 7 isn't a common corridor floor in this building, which means lift B is an all stop that got indirectly replaced!